Actually, I have some data in S3 bucket. So I want to
Mm-hmm.
give access like 50% of data, like first two column, I want to give access to that particular person, particular user. So by using data lake, can I able to do that by using data lake?
Mm-hmm.
That
There
possible,
are
correct?
data cells uh, in Lake Formation. You can create the data cells and share it to the particular users.
Okay, yeah, that is what I want to do, but I don't know how to do. Can you help me out this?
Sure, we can um, show you one second. You already have the table, right?
No, I don't have a table. Actually, I have a data, AWS data collection. Here I have a data. It is something look like this. Uh, Action. Yeah, I want to give access only for this three row, three columns.
So you need to have first a table, right?
Yeah,
Can you create the table?
in AWS Glue, correct?
Yeah, you can use the crawler as well to create the table.
Okay,
In the data catalog, you will say it. Data catalog. Expand the data catalog. Yeah, crawler. Create the crawler.
that's it, right?
Mm, yeah, go next. Add your data source.
Once again, actually your voice is bit low.
Yeah, add your data source. Go to the yeah, add your location, S3 location. No, select the folder instead of that. Yeah, choose. Yeah, add. That's it. Yeah, go next. Yeah, select the role.
Uh, like right now I'm login by using administrator role, but I have a
Mm-hmm.
two user, one user called Monish, another one user called Monisha. I want to give that access to that two persons only. Then,
Now we are just creating the table for now. The access part will come later.
so glue
We
full
need a
access. Okay.
we need a glue role to create the table.
Then I want to go to IM, correct? I don't know
Yeah,
what
just
it is
check it.
inside this
Yeah.
role.
Yes, yes. Check it. It should have a S3 access as well.
This role have administrative access, I guess.
Okay. Then you select that role. It is fine.
Sorry,
Go back to the glue crawler and select this role.
administrator role means it will access all the thing, correct? But I don't want this
Yeah,
thing.
we are just creating the table. We are not giving access right now.
Okay,
This role is to create the table.
okay.
Go next.
Use lake formation credential or something. No, right?
No, go next. This is, yeah, go next. Yeah. Do you have the database? No. Create a database. Add a database. Yeah.
That's it, right?
Create a, yeah. Go back to the crawler and select it. Next tab. The previous tab, I guess.
Sorry.
The one which is open, I guess.
You
In
can
the
go to the
third tab.
tab. Yeah.
Third tab. Can you go to the third tab of the browser? Yeah. Refresh the database and select it. Yeah. That's it. Next, create and run the crawler. So the users will be accessing this table in Athena, right? Or
Um, no, whatever it is, fine for me. But I only give
uh,
only like first three columns access.
so in S3 also you want to restrict the access. Like if we check the S3, they only get the result for three columns.
No, in S3 it is not possible, correct? S3 I can able to
Right, yeah, right. That's what I was like thinking. Like if that's your requirement, that it is not possible.
actually that is
Yeah,
my
in Glue
requirement that
or Athena,
that is my requirement, but it is not possible, right? That is why we go with
right,
another
right.
approach.
Yeah, yeah. In Glue or Athena, we can restrict it. Yes.
Mm, got
So
it.
it must have created a table for you. Uh, Go to the database or tables. Yeah. Refresh it. Refresh the page. Yeah. So this is a table created for you. Then you open this table. Click on the name. These are all your columns. Okay. So yeah, go to the lake formation now.
Okay.
Just refresh it. Refresh the page. Yeah, that is also fine. Okay. So data filters. Can you just select on data filters there in the data catalog? Yeah. Yeah. Add yourself with the admin. Yes. Get started. Yes. Go to data filters.
Data filters.
create a new filter, give some filter name here.
Data filter name. Uh,
Yeah, select the database table. Yes,
Table data collect glue data. Okay.
yes.
Access to
Now
all
in,
column include exclude columns.
yeah,
Correct.
exclude or include whatever. Yeah. So you can exclude whatever columns you don't want to give the access.
That's it, right?
Yes. So you are excluding these two columns. So rest of
Correct.
the columns will be accessible.
Okay.
Create the data filter.
Okay.
Yes. And select this data filter now. Yeah. Grant permissions. If you
Sorry.
see, there's a an option. Grant permissions. Yeah. Select. Yes. Now you can select that users.
Instead of selecting single user, can you able to select the entire group? Oh, like I have one group called
Uh,
like data scientist. If I'm giving that access only for the data
SAML,
scientist,
can you go select that SAML users or groups? Or that I am at data centers. Yeah. Second options. Integration not configured. Okay, it is not part of this yet. Mm, just give me a minute. Apurva, are you there?
Yeah.
So
So
can you select a group?
I think that is not yet possible. Uh, as in group, as in if many users are using a single role, then that role can be used. But
Yeah,
I don't think group is yet present.
even I never used a group. Yeah, I believe it is not possible. Nibin,
Uh,
to,
100%.
right now, yeah, right now it is not integrated with the lake formation.
Okay.
So you have to select multiple users or a role.
Okay. Any other easy way to give like access? Because I have around like like 100 user in one particular group. There I want to add this thing. Hello.
Yeah, let me just check it. Yes. Mhm. Right now, it is not possible, Nitin, to yeah, assign the
Oh,
group.
okay, no issue. Okay, now can add it for test, correct?
Yeah. So
Then
you can for now, okay, test user. Yeah. Then data filter factor selected. Okay. Yeah. Now give the permissions. Select describe.
like, what's the difference between select and describe?
Describe is required. Like it's I guess to get this table, right? It's for get table API, right? Approval.
Yeah, to get it, yeah.
It's to get the metadata of the table,
Oh, metadata
the
of the
describe.
table.
Yeah. The
Okay.
basically the schema.
Describe is, I think, needed.
I guess it will be required.
Yeah. Without
We can,
that,
yeah, if you want, you can test it without it,
and
but
you can send just get permission, not any changes will be done.
So
yeah.
if I'm not select the describe, then it will give all the rows.
No, no, no.
No,
I
no, no,
think
no.
it will see for data filter permission to get that filter, this describe is required. Then using that, after getting it, then whatever is there using select, it will use it. So first
Oh,
to get that, I think describe is required.
Yeah,
okay.
both the requirements select are the necessary permissions.
Okay, got it.
Grant table is not required. Grant table means they can grant the permissions as well.
I didn't see any grand table, correct?
There.
Uh,
Just below select and describe, you have selected two times, right? So these are the grant table
Oh,
permissions.
okay, okay.
So they can grant the permissions as well to other users if you give it.
Oh, okay, got it. So what about the hybrid access mode?
No, you can leave it. Grant.
This one is not needed, right?
Yeah, this is not needed. Yeah.
What it do?
Uh, this is the recent new feature.
New feature. Okay.
uh,
Yeah, Apurva, can you just explain it a
yeah.
little bit?
It's like usually with lake formation, once we are using lake formation, we remove the IAM permissions.
Oh,
Earlier it was like that, either IAM or lake formation. Now they have like found a way to like use both IAM as well as lake formation, but it is kind of little tricky. So like if it is not necessary, it's better to just go with either lake formation or IAM.
The default settings without it.
Yeah,
okay, okay. Suppose if I'm not selected, it's what's it will select like IM role or like IM access or
lake
like lake formation.
lake formation. Yeah,
Okay. Now I can give grant, correct?
Yeah,
yeah.
grant. So now just log in with the test and check it.
Actually, right now the test user only have access for the particular S3 path.
Oh, okay.
Then how?
Uh, give it Glue and Athena access. Add permissions on the right hand side. Yeah, yeah. Add permissions.
Like instead of adding this test user, if I'm adding that to that particular group, then it's good for me to like data engineer group.
Okay. Yeah, you can add this. The test is already here. Yeah. Just oh, that group already also doesn't have the permissions.
Yeah,
Attach
yeah.
the policies. Yeah. Attach policies. Uh, glue service role. Glue
Yeah, done.
service role. Not service role. Search for service role. Yeah. Third one. Yeah. And Athena.
Like glue service role and glue full access. What's the difference between these two and like in idea?
Uh, the console will just uh give you the glue console access.
Okay,
Okay, you won't be able to use all the services. Like in the backend, it also requires some additional permissions like login, S3. So that is all covered in Glue service role.
okay, okay.
So
If they want to access
and
the data only through Athena, then they need not need glue, correct?
Glue service is not required. Still, the Glue permissions are required. So Glue console access that will be fine in that case.
Okay, then I want to choose AWS Glue service role, correct?
Yes. And Athena as well. Search for Athena service as well. Yeah, Athena full access is fine. Yeah, attach it. Yeah. Now try it. Go to the Glue or Athena. Search for the service. Data catalog, tables. Yeah.
Click on preview table. In that, click on that
Yeah.
three dots.
Click on
Yeah,
three dots. View table.
scroll down.
You have to set S3 output location first. Edit the settings. Scroll up. Yeah. Give some output location. Every time you run a query, the output will be stored in this S3 location. So you have to select that S3 location first.
Okay.
Yeah, save. That's it. Yeah, go to the editor. Editor. Yeah, run the query. Okay. As the for the output location, the permissions are not there.
Okay.
The
Then
test unit doesn't have permissions. Yeah, just give the IAM permissions for that. In the third policy, you can mention it. Or if you want, just give a S3 full permission.
no, actually the thing is I want to give access to only one bucket, like this glue bucket.
So
Inside the glue bucket, I
create
want to
a okay.
inside the
So
glue
you have
bucket,
you are
glue data collection.
this is
Okay,
a source, right? We need a for output as well.
okay.
So in your IAM permissions, you have to allow permissions for the output folder as well. Just edit that third policy and give the yeah. If it is just restricted to that particular folder, then yeah, allow it for that as well. Yeah, S3 prefix, you can mention it. Yeah.
No, already we have all access correct actions all folder name.
But particular location, right? We need to give to output as well. Or you can
Okay.
mention remove that folder name. Just give to the particular bucket
Or else I can give something like
output as well. Yeah. Comma and then copy paste the same for output.
in the resource, correct?
Yeah, in the resource in the same array. Yeah. The array is already there. Just add a
Okay.
comma and copy paste it. Yeah. Output instead of that. Same above as well.
Sorry.
S3 prefix. The line number 48. 48. Yeah. Same here. You need to mention as well lines.
Like okay, that's it, right?
Yes. Star. You have given the star, right? Yep.
That's it, right?
Yeah, still. Yeah, that's it. Next. And
Here also I have the same thing.
okay. Just added it here as well, yeah. Just in case. The bucket is different. Scroll down. In the error message, the bucket is different.
Athena result, correct. Oh,
This bucket also is different. Athena data output location bucket you have created, I guess.
yeah.
So you have to give the permissions for this bucket.
Maybe we can just change the bucket as we have already given
Or
permission.
just change the output location in the Athena.
Yeah.
The output folder is empty, right?
Okay.
So just change the output location to the Athena. Go back to that Athena. Yeah. Settings. Scroll up. Yeah. Settings. Edit it. Browse. Yeah. Second bucket. Select the output. Save. So the one we excluded is not here, right? Or is
Actually, we
it?
give like excluded like resume and phone number. Phone number is not visible, but resume is coming, I guess. How
Phone
can I
is also
verify that?
there. Go to that previous account.
Oh, phone
Other
number also there, right?
that yeah. Uh, Yes. Okay, go to that lake formation. Uh, Show it once.
I think IAM allowed principal is added. Go to lake formation. Go to that table.
Lake formation, go to the table. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Select that table. Actions. View. Uh, just select on the third of principal. Yeah.
Yeah. Revoke it.
Revoke. Now go back and check. Run the query again.
Yeah, now it is working. Like why it's happen?
So we just removed one principle, right? IAM allowed principle. That is what actually controls whether the permission is being accessed via lake formation or IAM. So if that principle is added, then your IAM policy is being used to access any data. If that is removed, then the lake formation is being used to access any data. like we just added glue service role and Athena full access, right?
Correct.
Actually, those IAM policies actually gave that user a permission to access whole data. But when we removed that from lake formation, it only provide that user to whatever the permission was given via lake formation. Even though from IAM they have all the permissions, but as lake formation is restricting them from like accessing phone number and resume, they are not able to access it now.
Okay, but while creating time, I want to give that to access first. After I want to remove that access here, or like I only give, for example, like while creating time, if I'm not giving the access, I like Glue and Athena, then they can't able to access it. Correct?
Yeah, that is required because there you are giving permission over database and table levels, like get database and get table. That is required. Here you are like uh, doing it on a granular level, like on data.
Okay. So here it is automatically taking from there, right? Or
Yeah,
else?
here
Yeah, it's a default. Yeah.
yeah.
So you have to remove it.
Okay, got it.
So for now, what happens with lake formation is whoever is creating, that person will have full permission. Like you created this table using glue full access role, like crawler, you ran the crawler and crawler was using this role, right?
Correct,
So
correct.
that particular role or user will have full access. Then after that, you can give permission to different users, how much permission you need, that much.
Oh,
Whoever creates will have all the permission, like delete, insert, everything.
okay. Okay, got it. Thank you so much, guys.